You can still access any of the tabs on the UBuilder page if you find something in your design you want to change. If you are ready to complete the design process and place your order, go ahead to the bottom of the screen and click Order It. Once you've sent us your order, you can always access your project and documents by logging into the Unirac website, going to the UBuilder page, and clicking on Your Projects. You will always have access to the designs you create and their documents. Thank you for completing the UBuilder video tutorial. Now that you've seen how UBuilder works, you should be ready to jump in and start designing. If you have any further questions about using UBuilder, please contact us by clicking on Ask Us a Question and using the information provided. Thank you for using UBuilder and for being a trusted part of Unirac.